Okay, so what I've done is, so like you can see I'm on Monday the 5th, and what I did was I have two screens, so I'm looking at my other screen and literally just taking the top half of my class and putting them in group A. And then I'm making another link and I'm putting the second half of the group in group B. Okay. So I would take a picture or however you can do it of who all's in your class and do half in the morning, or excuse me, half on Monday, half on Tuesday. Do that for the morning. I'm going back and forth for a second. So do that in the morning and then do that in the afternoon. Okay. And then once you're done with that, delete your old phonics link for that week. So it'll look like this once you're done. Okay. Now, I've done it for the morning over here, but I have not done it for the afternoon. So just really quick, I know you know how to make links. I'm just doing it super fast. You can stop this if you need to. So this is group B. So I need to figure out, since for Tuesday the 6th, it's my afternoon. All right. Okay, so I'm now looking at my other ones. Let's see. So I need Naomi. You can fast forward this because I'm going to show you something here in just a minute. So don't completely turn this off. Let me get all my names in here really quick. Naomi, Caleb, Kimmy, Bruce. David. Dagan, Odin. Where's Dagan? Oh my god. Dagan and Odin. There's two of them. Roxetta. Emery. Sparrow and Sean. Kyrie. JP. Ariana. Don't forget your, well, he's not even on there. Don't forget your, oh my god, your Flex Kids. Just seeing if I have any down below. I do not. Okay, so all right, so see, I got group B done, so I'm going to delete this link. I know you know how to do this. I'm just walking you through. Okay, so now it should look like this. You've got your phonics, you've got a math, phonics, math. Okay, so now flip through, like I've already done morning. So you really just want to check. I'm going to start flipping here. So look up here at the days. So I've got Monday, because you're checking yourself. So you've got Monday group A, Tuesday group B, and then Wednesday you need to make one for group C. Those are going to be those that couldn't log in or whatever, but they showed, okay? And they just didn't get done or need extra time. You're going to add kids to that as you are doing group A and group B. Like if you find that, do you know what I'm saying? Like you're going to slowly add to group C. So like when you do group C, Don't add anybody to it yet. You're going to do that as you go. Ask me if that doesn't make sense, because oh my god, I'm tired. Then Thursday is going to be your makeup day. Okay, so that's how you're going to check yourself. You've already, you know, you're done when you've got all the way to Thursday. You've got your makeup and all of your phonics links are deleted. Okay, then you got to do it for the afternoon. So I'm going backwards. So I've got Monday and Tuesday, group A, group B. So I'm just getting ready to go do group C and my makeup for Wednesday, Thursday, and then delete my links. Okay. So questions, let me know.